Have you ever wondered what the secret is behind a long life and maintaining excellent quality of life in old age? Is it just about genetics, or are there other factors we can control? It turns out that one of the main keys lies on our plate. The term superfood is popular as marketing jargon, but it refers to whole foods rich in essential nutrients. These foods are packed with vitamins, minerals, protein, healthy fats, and antioxidants. Consuming nutrient-dense foods is not just about extending lifespan, but also preparing for a better quality of life in old age. These foods are said to help strengthen the immune system and reduce the risk of disease. Let's delve into 20 superhero foods on our plates. 1. Cruciferous vegetables, such as broccoli, cabbage, kale, cauliflower, and Brussels sprouts. Rich in fiber, folate, vitamin C, AEK, and antioxidants that help ward off cell damage from free radicals. They are good for the digestive system, have anti-cancer benefits, and protect against heart disease. 2. Nuts and seeds, including peanuts, soybeans, chickpeas, black beans, lentils, almonds, walnuts, pistachios. Also chia, flax, hemp seeds. High sources of plant-based protein, healthy fats, and antioxidants. They can help regulate blood sugar, control body weight, lower the risk of heart disease, stroke, type 2 diabetes, cholesterol, and reduce inflammation. People who live long consume them frequently. 3. Berries, like blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, blackberries, and cranberries. Rich in antioxidants, fiber, and vitamin C. They fight insulin resistance and lower the risk of diabetes. They help maintain brain health, protect against cancer, and reduce inflammation. Anthocyanins in them help reduce the risk of heart attack. 4. Mushrooms. Contain vitamin B, potassium, and selenium. Good for the heart and act as antioxidants. Compounds like ergothioneine and glutathione can prevent the growth of cancer cells. High mushroom intake is linked to a lower risk of cancer. 5. Allium vegetables, garlic, onions, and leeks have antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. Regularly consuming these helps with bone health and cancer prevention. 6. Tomatoes. Contain lycopene, a powerful antioxidant. Plays a role in reducing the risk of heart attack and stroke. Lycopene content increases when cooked, making tomato sauce an optimal source. 7. Turmeric. This yellow spice is rich in curcumin. The active compound has anti-inflammatory and heart protective properties, associated with cancer prevention and relief from arthritis pain. 8. Eggs. Sources of high-quality protein, vitamin B, choline, selenium. Contain antioxidants like zeaxanthin and lutein for eye health. 9. Fermented foods. Yogurt, kefir, tempeh, kimchi, etc. Fermented products are rich in probiotics. These probiotics help digestion and boost the immune system. Fermented foods can enhance body immunity through immunomodulatory mechanisms and improved intestinal microflora balance. 10. Olive oil. Contains monounsaturated fats, anti-inflammatory compounds, and polyphenols. Helps reduce inflammation and the risk of heart disease, diabetes, and other chronic diseases. Rich in alpha-linolenic acid that prevents atherosclerosis, associated with improved brain health. 11th. Ginger. Contains gingerol, an antioxidant compound, effective in relieving inflammation, nausea, and arthritis pain, associated with the prevention of chronic diseases like heart disease and cancer. 12th. Fatty fish, rich in omega-3. Examples include salmon, mackerel, sardines, tuna, Rich in omega-3 fatty acids. Supports heart and brain health. Reduces cholesterol and blood pressure, prevents signs of aging. Protects against neurological diseases, Alzheimer's, dementia. High omega-3 intake is associated with a 15 to 18% lower risk of mortality. Important for brain growth and development since the fetal stage. 13. Avocado. Rich in healthy fats, monounsaturated, fiber, and various vitamins. Supports metabolic health, reduces inflammation and the risk of chronic diseases. Oleic acid helps reduce inflammation in the body. Helps absorb heart-healthy vitamins. 14. Sweet potatoes. Contain carotenoids, vitamins A and C as natural antioxidants. Their sugar content is more stable, beneficial for people with diabetes as it helps control blood sugar. 15. Seaweed, rich in iodine, vitamin K, fiber, supports thyroid function and digestion. Unique compounds are believed to prevent cancer and heart disease. 16. Leafy green vegetables, such as kale, mustard greens, rapini, bok choy, Swiss chard, kale, spinach. Sources of antioxidants, carotenoids, linked to reduced risk of cardiovascular disease and cancer. Good source of folate, vitamin B9, good for the heart. 17. Whole grains, such as whole wheat, brown rice, sorghum, quinoa. Rich in fiber, B-complex vitamins, iron, potassium, magnesium. Fiber lowers bad cholesterol, blood pressure, makes you feel full longer. Regular consumption is linked to a lower risk of death from cardiovascular disease and cancer.
18. Pomegranate, source of powerful antioxidants, can protect the heart and fight free radicals. Regularly drinking pomegranate juice lowers systolic blood pressure. Polyphenols fight atherosclerosis and blood vessel inflammation. 19th. Calorie restriction. This is not about nutrient deficiency, but reducing overall daily energy intake while ensuring the body still gets essential nutrients. This method has been shown in animal studies to slow down the molecular aging process. It can help manage weight. Practical forms can include fasting, such as intermittent fasting or alternate day fasting, or simply reducing overall portion sizes. 20. Adequate hydration. Drinking enough water is crucial for all bodily functions. Fluid balance supports metabolism and overall health. Sometimes thirst is mistaken for hunger, so drinking enough can help control appetite and body weight. So the secret to a long life is not just about 1 or 2 magic foods, but a combination of a nutrient-rich diet from whole food sources, such as fruits, vegetables, grains, nuts, seeds, fatty fish, and fermented foods, coupled with important concepts like mindful calorie restriction and adequate hydration. Remember, these nutrient-dense foods also prepare you for a better quality of life in old age. All of this is most effective when combined with other healthy lifestyle habits such as regular exercise, avoiding smoking and alcohol, and getting enough sleep. Start incorporating these foods into your daily diet. Prepare them in healthy ways without too much added sugar, salt, or excess oil. If in doubt, consult a nutritionist or healthcare professional. Take care of your body. It's the only place you have to live.